Hi, so my name is Haley Jackshaw, and I chose to do activity 11.21, and it's the counting to 10,000 activity. So, with this activity, the book describes it that you can take a class or a grade level to complete the activity, and you would have your students bring you back paper clips from home, maybe the tab to the pop can from home, and you would do it until you collected the specified number that you're reaching, right? So I chose to base mine off of a kindergarten class that I just recently observed for math. So they have a goal set for the year to be able to count to 100. So I thought that this activity would be fun for kindergartners. I would change it a little bit in the sense that I wouldn't have them bring me back things from their house. Instead, I would be substituting it with bouncy balls. And so my idea was is I would have a big clear container that would be on my desk or at the front of the classroom so everybody in the class can see it. And then I would pre-measure out how many 25 bouncy balls, and then I would mark it on the container, and then 50, and then I would mark it on the container. Same thing with 75, and then 100. That way, as the students go on, they can see how many bouncy balls are in there and how close they are to reaching their goal. And so, in order to get a bouncy ball, you can do that in several different ways. I was thinking if they had good behavior throughout the day, or if you wanted to make it a little harder, if it was just specifically math class that they were behaving in, they could get a bouncy ball since it's a math related activity. While you're doing your fast math facts with them, if they're 100%, you can give them a bouncy ball. The only thing with this activity with kindergartners, I wouldn't stretch it out for the full year just because I think they might get bored with it. So I think I would make it last for maybe about 2 to 3 months. I think that would be a good time range. And then at the end, when they get the 100 bouncy balls, we could take them out, count them, and they could have a reward. And the reward could be a pajama day, maybe a pizza party. It doesn't really matter. But yeah, I think that would be a fun activity for kindergartners.